This How to 1 Minute will show you how to change admin email in WordPress database. First of all, log into your cPanel and scroll down. Under databases, click on PHP My Admin. And now, from this list, you have to click on that database which one associated with your WordPress installation. To find out the exact database, go to your cPanel again and open File Manager. Once you are in your File Manager, scroll down and open your website folder. And here search for wp-config.php file. Right click on it and click on Edit. And here you will get your DB or database name. So this is my database name. So I'm gonna clicking on my database. Under database, scroll down and search for WP users. Click on it. And here you will get the list of all your WordPress admin. Now to change any admin username or email, click on this edit. And here you will get the user email section. From here you can easily edit the user email and click on go to save changes. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.